So this session we are going to see about the isometric projection. Isometric projection. It's a Greek word. Isometric is a Greek word. Iso means seeing the object which is able to give 3 dimension. Metric means it's a geometrical diagram. So when you are seeing the object through your eyes 90 degree, you will get a square. When you see this object which is tilted, if you are seeing from your eyes, you can able to see side and front. When you are seeing the object from this line, from my finger line, you can able to see 3 views: side view, front view, as well top view. So which is able to give 3 views, 3 dimension, 3 dimension. So this is called as isometric view, isometric projection. So in this isometric view and projection, there is a small difference in this isometric view and isometric projection. So isometric view which follows, let me see, isometric view which is actual scale, which is actual scale. Actual scale means if they give 1 centimeter, that is 1 centimeter only. If they give 1 centimeter, that is 1 centimeter only. So there is another view which is called as isometric projection. Which means when they give a view which can be reduced, because when you are seeing in certain angle, or angle you will not get the actual dimension. That is called isometric projection. So which will give the value of reduced scale. Reduced scale. Reduced scale means if they give 1 centimeter, that will be reduced into 0.83 based on the mathematical calculation. They have found from the ISO standard, which is 0.83 times of the value. 1 centimeter into 0.83, which will become 0.83 centimeter, which is not equal to 1 centimeter. So that is the reduced scale. So isometric, we have to see the question whether they are asking isometric view or isometric projection. Question alla padikkanum. Hope you all having habit of underlining the question, because our mind will always see the feasibility of drawing well diagram. Isometric view பார்த்துட்டு அந்த வேர்ட்ல மண்ணில் இருக்கும், அதையே தான் வரையறதுக்கு மைண்ட் போகும். கொஸ்டினை பார்க்கணும், வியூ கேட்டிருக்காங்களா, ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் கேட்டிருக்காங்களா. ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் கேட்டால் ஸ்கேலை ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணணும், ஸ்கேல் கேட்டால் ஒரு வேல்யூவும் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் ஐசோமெட்ரிக் வியூ அண்ட் ஐசோமெட்ரிக் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன். Okay, what is the application of view and projection? View will be given to know the value of actual size. Projection will be given in the industrial perspective, which you would have seen the previous session, the civil drawing also. Perspective projection ஒரு டாபிக் நடத்திருப்போம். அதில் வந்து ரொம்ப தூரத்தில் போகிறத நம்ம அஷ்யூம் தான் பண்ண முடியும். ஒரு ட்ரெயின் போயிட்டு இருக்கு, ஒரு கோடு தான் தெரியும், போக போக பக்கத்தில் பார்த்தா 2 தண்டவாளம் தெரியும், கொஞ்சம் தூரத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பெண்ட் ஆகி அப்படியே ஜாயின் ஆகி ஒரே லைனாக தெரியும். So that is our eye illusion as well as our assumption. Beyond certain distance we cannot see. So that will be in the view of projection. That is assumed view. And the distance is சொல்ல முடியாது. So they calculated through the mathematical value, which is 0.83 value. Isometric projection is a 0.83 times of iso view. This 0.83 mathematically they have calculated. So when we get into that, you should know what is scale. Already I taught you and reminding you scale, which is a very important topic, scale. When the scale is actual, which is 1:1, which is when they give 10 centimeter, which is equal to 10 centimeter. When they give value of 10 centimeter cube, all the sides are 10 centimeter. This is called as actual scale. Let me go for the reduced scale. When we go for reduced scale, the application of reduced scale is when they give 500 meters, when they give huge value 500 feet, when they give 500 centimeters, something like that, we cannot draw in our drawing sheet. That time we have to reduce it and we have to draw. பெரிய வேல்யூவா கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா டிராயிங் ஷீட்ல வர இடம் இல்லை.